Poetry is the power of individual stories. I think poetry is a vessel that allows us to fill it with anything that we think is necessary at the time. So that's empowerment, that's agency for everyone. I've been writing poetry for probably 25 years, maybe more, and my son's been a huge source of inspiration for me. He has nonverbal autism and a seizure disorder and lots of other comorbidities. So I took it upon myself when he was very young to start, exploring his culture. I've always taught community-embedded classes. I've always taught applied arts and humanities classes. So my students have helped younger people in the community create murals, create poetry. We've performed all over the community. I've brought my students into library programs with me, programs where we facilitated workshops, poetry workshops with teens. I think the most extraordinary thing for me has been to see people feel comfortable and vulnerable in poetic spaces within the span of 15 minutes and stand up and share a story that is filled with trauma. And I think my mission as Poet Laureate, and this is still my mission today, is to make poetry part of the vernacular in Phoenix and at the university and in hospitals and in care centers and in prisons. I want people to know that poetry has always been the vessel for righteous indignation.